T-minus 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. We have ignition and liftoff of a Delta II rocket and WISE, searching for stars and galaxies never seen before.
Good chamber pressure in both verniers and good chamber pressure in all three solids. 25 seconds. Mark, 25 seconds into the flight. Recovering nicely from the original main engine pitch and yaw transients. Coming up 36 seconds. Mark, 36 seconds. Vehicle now at Mach 1. Still looking good. 45 seconds in. Pressure beginning to decline on our solids. 50 seconds in, max Q, maximum dynamic pressure. About 1 minute into the flight, standing by for burnout. And we have burnout of the three engines. The three ground-lit solids. We'll be holding on to those solids for about 30 seconds to assure a good water impact point. 1 minute, 15 seconds in.
words WISE stand for Wide Field Infrared Survey Explorer. Wide field means it sees all of the sky. Infrared means it does it in the infrared. Survey means it looks for all kinds of objects everywhere in the entire universe. And Explorer has several meanings. It's looking for new things, but it's also part of NASA's Explorers program. The beauty of WISE and of these new detectors that we're using now. And in fact, I just happen to have some here. I call this one of the eyes of WISE. This is a 1 megapixel infrared array. It looks a lot like what most people would find in their fancy cameras, but it is an infrared detector, and it requires it to be cool to near about 7 degrees Kelvin, about 400 degrees Fahrenheit below zero.
Going out and finding what's there, so it's definitely like the old scouts in the westerns, to just go up to the next ridge and see what's there. But in that way, it's definitely, a scout for big telescopes to follow up. Well, the overall goal is to survey the entire sky, and we'll be taking a picture every 11 seconds. And so that means that in the 6 months it takes to cover the sky, we're going to be taking about 1.5 million images. And by that I mean a set of images with the 4 different colors. And so with all these images, we'll stitch them together to make an image atlas of the entire sky and figure out, what objects are on there and make a catalog.
Our view of the whole universe has mostly been compiled from looking in light that we can see with our eye. We have only fairly crude maps of the universe at other wavelengths, particularly in the infrared. And so there could be big objects, very interesting objects that are out there, maybe not very far away, that if we could just look in the right place in the infrared, we would find them. I guess at the most basic level, though, what I come back to is I want to know what's out there. That's what really excites me. And so I want to find out what's out there, and WISE is going to tell us much more than we know now.